channel. So this video I wanted to do, I've been doing a lot of planning like I said before. I've been really busy doing a lot of other things that yeah, it's just making a toll out of me, and I need to go do something today. So this is my bullet journal. If you haven't seen that video, I'm kind of new at it, so it's not like the best video, but yeah, I just do like a lot of my bullet journaling. Oh, just hit me in the face. Just like different things I need to do. And yeah, so I really like this. It's actually a sketchbook from Half Price Books, and I thought I'd use it as a bullet journal. And I wanted to do something like my eyeshadow to be inspired by this look, and this is the look that I came up with. So yeah, if you want to see how I did this, and then so I already sprayed my face with the Milani, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the L'Oreal to moisturize my face. I'm trying to hurry because, again, I tell you, I can really get a break, but I have to go somewhere, and I have to take Destiny to her friend's birthday party that they're doing for her. And so yeah, so now I'm going to go in with my Professional Matte Rescue from Benefit. I'm going to go in here and prime my face. I have a little bit of that. I think this smells because it is like literally heart-shaped tape, and I'm just going to pop some of this on top of my blemishes and just apply this a little bit. I'm gonna go in with my Urban Decay in the shade 4.5. I really like this. It's an all-nighter waterproof long wear liquid foundation, which is a whole mouthful, but yeah, I'm already like up to here now, so I don't know how much is in here. Let's see, it is a 1 fluent ounce. I don't know, I feel like there's not too much product in here. But anyway, I'm gonna go in with my beauty sponge. I don't really like this one. I like the other one better, but I'm just gonna apply this all over. I'm gonna do my eyebrows with a Jonte Blue in number 0004. Which is like a nice, really cool gray color. It's like a 2. It has like the little this, and then it has that. I talk about it all the time. So I'm just gonna do my eyebrows, and I'm gonna tap of my Tarte Shape with my little angle brush, and I'm just gonna clean up these brows because I need to clean them up. And into the other one. My eyes with the Cinderella eyeshadow primer. I got this at Walgreens. I talked about it before. It's when they had like the whole collection, and then I just had their seals. I never used it, and then I just kind of opened it up, and I really like the texture of it. It's kind of thick, which is what I like, and it works really well. I don't even know the brand of it, to be honest. It was just like a whole little like set that they had, and I remember like the packaging was like light blue, and it just said Cinderella, and it just said eyeshadow primer. It was like in a little package like this. It was just like sitting like that. But I like it, and then I like it because Destiny's skin set is Cinderella, and I talked about it in my book long. If you want to see that video, just been preparing, getting the padrinos and all that stuff, and it's just started, and it's a lot of the whole year planning, and it's already giving me a headache. By this bullet, it's really a sketchbook, but I use it as my bullet board, my bullet journal. I have like all my little things that I'm planned out throughout the year, or like this year, and I really love the colors of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and use a dark blue. Normally people would do like a, you know, transition shade or whatever, but not me. I'm gonna go in with a dark blue. So let me pull out some eyeshadows. In with the Urban Decay little brush that came in with the Christian Leanne palette, which I'm going to use this palette, and I'm going to go ahead and get the shade TRM, which is this really nice dark blue right here. I'm going to go ahead and pick that up and make sure you tap the excess, and just tap that. I really like this blue. I was undecided which blue I wanted to use, but because this palette is so good, I'm just gonna buff this in the crease area and give it a swirl and see how this works. to this side right here because I need a little bit more sturdy. And then I'm going to go in with this lighter blue right here. And it's called LCW. I'm going to pick that up because the illusion of the water is like, it's just not one shade. You want to do like different mixtures of the blues just to give it that oceany feel to it. So I'm just going to go a little bit under, and I'm going to just kind of just blend that in a little bit. And I'm not going to go over what I just did, but I am going to go a little bit under. And kind of gives it like a different like two-tone blue. And so that is basically what I'm doing. And I love this side of the brush because it is like really sturdy. And it just kind of makes it like a little bit better, which blends it a little bit more. So, and it does have some shimmer in it. But, you know, when the moon is set over the water, it does look glittery. It does look that, you know, nice effect. And so that's basically what I'm doing. Back at the picture, I do see like a bunch of golds, burgundies, and even like light pink. So what we're gonna do is get the let's do a burgundy color next. The Jaclyn Hill palette with Morphe, and I'm going to go ahead and get this color right there. I'm gonna pick that up. A really nice matte like burgundy color. I don't have the paper's in there somewhere. And I'm gonna do another shading brush again and just kind of just do just the ending part right here. Shape tape because I'm going to cut it a little bit. I'm just going to grab a small dab like this and get this little, I don't know if you can see it, this little brush from my Walgreens brand that I did a whole review on. And I'm just going to apply this. Cut it a little bit. Got it. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this gold right here. It's like a coppery gold because I do see a lot of coppery golds on my bullet journal. And I'm just gonna go in with the shading brush again from the Walgreens brand, and I'm just going to apply that. Oh yes, that looks so pretty. And I'm not gonna, you see how I still have some room where I cut it? I'm not gonna go that far. I'm just gonna go to the middle part only. Just right there. Under, I wanna go in with like that pretty pinkish. And I'm gonna go in with Kylie Jenner in rose gold. It looks like this. And she had released this nice, pretty like rosy pinkish color. I'm gonna go ahead and pick that up with the same brush that I did my cut crease. I just cleaned it up, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply that right there. You see how it's giving it that pop? I'm gonna go to the beginning and dragging it up where it's gonna collab with the more gold, so I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty highlighter in Trophy White. You can use this as a highlight, but sometimes I like to use it just for my eyes as well. So I'm going to go in with this little shading brush because it's just like a beautiful gold. And I just nick that, but yeah. I want to add that bronze color. I just want to pop it up a little bit more. So fix I need to fix. I like to do this first before I fix the eyes more, because this will help me brighten it, clean it up, and give me what I need to see. And then we're going to blend all of that out. I'm going to go in with this beauty sponge again. Use the top part. Go in with Fix Plus from MAC. I might blink a little bit. Spray that part, and I'm just going to push in the product, which I've mentioned many times in my videos that I've done other makeup looks, and I'm just going to do that with this. Just the under eyes. I'm going to go in with MAC Patrick Star powder with MAC, and I'm going to use this Luxie 660 Precision Foundation brush. I don't use brushes like this for foundation. I like to use it just to set powders, and I'm just going to go, or highlight, whichever way you prefer to use this kind of brush. But me personally, I've been trying this under here just to set, and that is basically what I'm using. I really like these brushes. I think Luxie brushes are really nice, and I'm just going to go up here, just basically everywhere that I put the concealer. I'm going to go in with Milo Precision Pen Eyeliner. I love this eyeliner. I think it's a really good eyeliner. If you don't have it, if you wanted me to buy one and you don't want to spend, I don't even know how much this is. It was sent to me, my Ipsy, but you can go in with the e.l.f. eyeliner brush, and that works as well as one of my other favorite ones. And I'm just gonna make a little wing. In the shade Mocha. I really like this. I'm just gonna go from the temples here, and then I gotta just smudge up this nose, and then up here, down here. This brush right here is all dirty because I used it yesterday, but I really need to clean all my brushes tonight because I'm running out of brushes. That's because I have a lot of brushes. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in with my Wet n Wild. I'm running out, but I still want to use it till the end. Even though I have a backup, I just still want to use all of that. I'm going in with my contour brush from Real Techniques. I love this brush. So I'm going to go in and then just go over everything that I contour with on the stick. I'm just going to kind of go over it and go into the root of my hair, because then you're going to have like this little line that's going to look weird. So I'm just basically just going over everything that I did. Lower eyelid, going with the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in 622A Electric Blue. I really like these jumbo pencils. I'm always using them. I need to get more other colors. But I'm going to put it in the waterline just so I can make that blue pop. Since I have a lot of gold and rose gold going on, just want to pop that. The MAC Patrick Star to like set here and just like the points of my face, but I like to set everything with Airspun, which is one of my favorite translucent powders. So I'm gonna go ahead and set my whole face with this before I apply my blush, and just kind of set it. I'm just gonna put it in the lid like this, and then I'm going in with the face blush powder from Walgreens. I love this brush. It's my favorite blush from the whole collection. I like all of them, but this is my favorite one. And I'm just going to powder and set everything. And even go over with what I set it with, just because I'm like extra oily girl. And Mama needs to set everything so I won't look like a glazed donut. So I'm gonna go in with this one, which the tapa light came off. It's from Sephora, and this is in the shade Rose Glow. I don't know if they still sell this anymore, but I love this. I've had it for a long time, and I'm barely hitting pan. So I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild brush, and I'm just gonna apply this. I really like this, but when I found this blush, it was like on the clearance section. And then you know how you go to Sephora and they have like the little clearance section. and I saw the color and I really liked it, and I've had it for a very long time. Can't beat that. $7, and I don't even know if they still have it, but if they do, I'll probably get another one. Put any kind of 2 mascaras of eyes. Excuse this body right here because she's like using my makeup. Okay, so yeah, for eyelashes I'm gonna go in with the Ardell's Double Up in 207s. I feel like wearing double ups today, so that is what we're going to do because I have to go do some stuff, and I'm hoping that I go into the water circus today. I really want to attend that. I've never been to a circus before, and if I have, I was like super little, and they have a really cool one that is in town, like, or the town next to us, which is like about, I don't know, 25-30 minutes. So I really want to go to that tonight, so we'll see how that comes out since Jessie won't be here. The only bad thing with that is that they're expensive, the tickets. It's like, really? So, and it's like a family of 4, so but we'll see. So I'm just gonna go these double ups and then put my lashes and I'll be back. I wanted to tell you guys real quick that yesterday, because I'm always buying lashes, like every week I'll get some new ones because I like to like stock up, and I'll show you my little stock up in a minute. But just like to like let you know, right now they have a sale going on lashes. Ardell's is buy one get one half off, and I think the Kiss blowout ones, let me see, where are the blowouts? These right here, these are the blowout ones, and I think like there's a coupon like $1 off, and they're having their own sale too, which I'm not too sure what their sale is. But yeah, so if you're like, you know, always like buying lashes, or you need to stock up lashes, or you need to buy more lashes, or it's just for the heck of it like me, yeah, go right now. I don't know how long it's gonna last, but it's buy one get one free. No, buy one get one half off Ardell's, one free. They used to have that sometimes, and then they have a sale on the Kiss blowout ones, so check that out. I really like her skin, if you can see how nice and glowy that is. So I'm gonna do like a mixture of like a pink and white highlight. I don't know what this is, but you know, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Nicole Guerrero highlight, and I'm gonna mix this pink one right here and Kitty Cat and Forever Lit, which is this really pretty like whitey pearl. And I'm gonna go in with the brush Lexi 514. I love this brush for highlighting, and I'm gonna mix those two up. Ooh, get that glow. It's pretty. I like this palette. What? Yes. To freaking sure what kind of lip color to put. You can go ahead and go with a nude if you want, but I'm looking at her lips in the picture, and I'm gonna go ahead and go in with Kylie Jenner in Gorge, which is like this nice like plumpy color. Plum. What the heck? Shut up. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the Milani's Make It Last and set this makeup. I had to buy another one, which I did. Every time I'm in halfway, I buy another one. That was it for this tutorial. I hope you guys liked it. This is the final look. I think I did pretty good looking at the bullet journal, which is the bullet journal, and this is the eye look. I think I did a pretty good, I guess, pretty good on this inspired look, if I say so myself, but that's just my opinion. And yeah, so you can wear this anywhere or anything. So that's about it, guys. I hope you like this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you haven't already. Don't forget to slam the subscribe button and ring that bell to be notified for future videos. And until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.